Once upon a time, in the Enchanted Forest.
Where did all the colors go?
Mivlo?
Look! Even my spots are gray.
Mine too. Toot toot.
Let's go on an adventure! Let's go on an adventure! There! A shiny red apple! I've got it! Almost got it! Wow! One color down. Now, can you spot something blue nearby? Keep your eyes open. Oh no! The river has no color either. Look! Something blue is hiding under there. Let's push together well. Ready, set, push! The river is coming back to life!
Can you make a splashing sound with me? Ready? Splish splash!
Yay! Blue is back! The sun wants to shine too. Up, up, up we go! Everybody, reach up high with us! Can you help us shine? Shout it with me! Shine, sun, shine! Yay, we did it! Hooray! Woohoo! The forest is waking up! Just one more spot needs color. The meadow. Can you help us grow the grass? Let's clap our hands together, Ro. Ready? A little green sprout. It just needs some love. It's growing! It's growing! Hooray! Can you cheer with us? Say yay! As loud as you can. We did it, Hen! The forest is beautiful again! Thank you for helping us today, friend. We had so much fun today, but it's time to go. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another Mivlo adventure.